जी।
कुछ जो फेवरेट कार सबसे पहले कौन सी कार आपने खरीदी थी?
मेरी सबसे पहली गाड़ी मैंने ख़रीदी थी जब मैं बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हुआ था। और उस समय मारुति 1000 एक गाड़ी आती थी, वो ख़रीदी थी हमने सबसे पहले। सो दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट कार। और वो सेकंड हैंड गाड़ी थी, क्योंकि उस समय हम लोग ऐसे समय में थे जब फर्स्ट हैंड ख़रीदना मुश्किल होता था। तो सेकंड हैंड गाड़ी ख़रीदी थी पहले। दूसरी गाड़ी भी मैंने सेकंड हैंड खरीदी, बट गॉड इज़ बीन वेरी वेरी काइंड, सो नाउ आई कैन अफोर्ड फर्स्ट हैंड कार, सो आई एम ड्राइविंग अ गुड कार नाउ।
लाइक आप इतने बड़े साउथ में स्टार है, मुंबई में स्टार है, कुछ जो फाइव थिंग जो आपके कार के अंदर रहना पसंद करते हैं, कार के बाहर में?
मेरी गाड़ी में सबसे ज़रूरी दो चीज़ें होती हैं। एक तो पानी की बोतल, और दूसरा अच्छा म्यूज़िक सिस्टम, जिसमें म्यूज़िक सुनने को मिलता रहे। जब आपका मन करे आप अच्छा म्यूज़िक सुन लें, बस इतना होना चाहिए गाड़ी में। मेरे ख्याल से ये सबसे नैसे। और एक स्टीयरिंग व्हील ज़रूरी है ताकि गाड़ी चल पाए।
ओके, लास्टली लाइक जैसे कि आज कॉम्पिटिशन में कार के मिस्टर हो
जी
रहे,
जी।
इफ यू गिव समवन तो आपके लिए कौन सा कार अगर किसको टाइप पे लॉन्ग टाइप पे लेके जाना?
क्या चीज़, क्या फिर से?
ऐसे जो कार यहाँ पे लेके अगर आपको सपोज गिफ्ट में दिया जाए
हाँ,
तो लॉन्ग ड्राइव में आप किसको लेके जाएंगे?
लॉन्ग अगर ऐसी गाड़ी मुझे कोई गिफ्ट कर दे, तो लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे मेरे ख्याल से आई वुड लाइक टू टेक माई फैमिली, बिकॉज इन योर हैप्पी मोमेंट्स आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। यू वांट टू शेयर योर हैप्पी मोमेंट्स विद योर फैमिली, एंड मुझे लगता है मैं अपनी फैमिली को लेके जाऊँगा ड्राइव।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Welcome to Tech Awards.
बोल बोलू भाई, बोल। टुडे आज अवार्ड दे रहे थे, अवार्ड देना पसंद करते हैं, अवार्ड लेना पसंद करते हैं?
Don't know, because it's always a happy moment. If you are achieving it, it's a special moment, and if you are giving it, it's also you're sharing the happiness for others. And today I will be giving awards, so I'm very excited for already for the winners.
Okay, if you like the car, which is the five things you look car in inside?
Car,
Yeah.
my favorite car. My favorite car right now is Audi. That's what I'm driving also. But when I was staying in Germany, I was driving Mercedes. So yeah, I am very kind of, you can say, honest to my own country, because all the German cars are amazing, honestly.
Which is your first car you buy on?
My first car, my first car was Audi. Yeah, and then I bought for my father Mercedes, because he's a Mercedes lover. That was also the first thing which I always wanted to achieve. Buy him a gift, because he was always jokingly saying that, you know, whenever I used to ask him that, what can I bring you? Whenever I was used to go to home back, and he was saying, yeah, just bring me a Mercedes. Of course, because he never wanted to have any gift. And one day I actually brought him a Mercedes, and I drove that inside our house, and he was like, oh my God, he couldn't react. So yeah, so that's my
So,
favorite.
like Audi, like which is the five thing inside the Audi you like? What like water bottle or something?
Technically speaking, I like the comfort, and I like to drive myself also. And what I like about Audi is that even for a woman, if you drive it, it's very very smooth. If you think about like BMW or BMW especially, I think it's a men's car. Audi can be very nicely and comfortably driven by a woman, and that's what I like the most
Okay,
about
lastly,
the car.
like Big Boss going on everyone. Like, did you follow the Big Boss and which is your favorite content in Big Boss?
You know, I follow up and down the Big Boss. Whenever I'm at home, I try to watch it, and it's a very, very interesting this season, I must say. And in fact, today in the morning, I was watching some, updates on Twitter when Salman was saying to Karanveer Bohra that his wife is sending a message that, respect my husband, and I was like, okay, it's getting hotter in Big Boss season. So yeah, it's quite entertaining, I must say.
Okay, lastly, who will be the owner of Big Boss? I mean, like very particular.
Right now, it's very difficult to say. I think they all are playing very, very well, and it's exciting, more exciting than even last year, because last year was a lot of fights was going on. This season, I think, is more sophisticated, and I think everyone is such a good player, and everyone seems to know what they are doing. So right now, I think it's too early to know who is my favorite and who will actually win the season.
Thank you so much. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Sure.
चलिए
come with me. Maybe have a picture with me. What's your favorite app these days? Just go over it.
I like how you went. Sure, yeah. Thank you. Ready?
Anybody asking me?
Okay, first of all, congratulations. Looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Thank you. हाँ
You know, like अवार्ड देना आपको पसंद है कि अवार्ड लेना पसंद है?
यार अभी लेना किसको पसंद नहीं होगा, ये तो गलत क्वेश्चन है ना। अवार्ड देना तो अच्छा लगता है बट लेना तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत पसंद होता है ना सबको।
बॉडी का आज अवार्ड, इतने सारे अवार्ड, आपकी अगर पहली कार कौन सी जो आपने खुद के पैसे से खरीदी?
जो मैंने पहली कार खरीदी थी वो मैंने अपने फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज में खरीदी थी, रिट्स। और मैं बहुत खुश थी कि मैं फ़र्स्ट हूँ अपने ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स में जिसके पास गाड़ी है। सो रिट्स थी मेरी पहली गाड़ी।
लाइक हर कोई कंफर्टेबल के लिए कार में बहुत सारी चीज़ रखता है, आपकी कौन से 5 चीज़ जो कार की डिसाइड होती है?
मेरे गाड़ी के अंदर आई थिंक च्युइंगम्स हमेशा होंगे, वाटर बॉटल्स होंगे, टिश्यू पेपर, हैंड टॉवल और खाने पीने के लिए कुछ।
ओके, लास्टली तो अभी रिसेंटली सबसे लॉन्ग ड्राइव कहाँ गए?
लॉन्ग ड्राइव आई थिंक इट्स बिन अ वाइल, मैंने लॉन्ग ड्राइव नहीं की है। हाँ, शूटिंग के लिए लॉन्ग ड्राइव बहुत की है। DDPD हम लोग मनाली में शूट कर रहे थे, दे दे प्यार दे, तो चंडीगढ़ से मनाली की 14 घंटे की ड्राइव थी क्योंकि लैंडस्लाइड हो गई थी। आई थिंक दैट वाज माय लॉन्गेस्ट ड्राइव।
Okay, lastly, what's going on because everyone waiting for on screen, so what's like
Everyone is
like waiting for on screen, what's going on upcoming project?
upcoming projects. Abhi there'll be soon De De Pyar De with Ajay sir will release, and then I've signed Marjama with opposite Siddharth, which I start shooting next month. और श्रीदेवी जी का रोल मैं प्ले कर रही हूँ NTR बायोपिक में, which is a Telugu film, but it'll also come here. Besides that, Telugu में 2 films और Tamil में 2 films.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. It's all a digital world these days. Of course, all the web series are doing huge, and I was also really surprised that I think nobody thought that okay, web series is gonna be like that much huge platform. So it's an amazing platform, and it's more convenient too for the people because everyone they can watch it over their phone. So they have all the apps like Netflix and all they can download over their phones and they can watch it. It's very convenient for all the people, and it's amazing. They are coming up with amazing concepts, and you get more chance to make amazing concepts because you make series. There's not a time limit, because in movies there's mostly what happens, there's a time limit. You have to finish the whole story in 2 hours or 2.5 hours. But in series, like okay, there is no limit. You can make seasons. You can make season 1, season 2, season 4, as many you want, as many episodes you can make it. So I think it's an amazing platform, and there are really amazing stuff coming up online. So I think everyone is enjoying.
Which is your first car you buy and own now?
Which is my
First car you buy and own now?
sorry.
Which is your first car you buy?
Car. I'm not a very car person, if I tell you, and somebody else also asked me the same question some time back, but I'm not a very car person, and I just drive whatever is convenient to me and I feel comfortable with it, so I'm not a very car person.
आज आपको जो अवार्ड मिल रहा है जितने सोशल मीडिया है तो अवार्ड को कितने एक्साइटेड है?
I'm very excited.
अवार्ड कितना इंपॉर्टेंस है आपके लिए?
It is important because you get the recognition, and of course you work hard, and this is your career, this is your platform, and with the awards you get the recognition. So this is amazing, and I'm very excited to be here, and this is my first time to exhibit awards, and I think I'm gonna make an amazing debut. So it's my debut, so let's see. I'm just looking forward to see all the amazing stuff happening inside, so I'm very excited.
पंजाबी मूवी आ रही है आपकी स्क्रैच है तो उसका फर्स्ट पोस्टर जो रिलीज हुआ है मैम, काफ़ी सराहा जा रहा है, काफ़ी हेवी कॉस्ट्यूम्स देखे जा रहे हैं उसमें, क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
Punjabi movie. I am doing 3 Punjabi movies as of now, so it's going amazing and people are really appreciating. I'm into that industry from last 6 years and people are really appreciating my work, and I'm so happy that finally I'm getting the recognitions I wanted in Punjabi cinema. Though I was always a known person, but I think after a long time it's amazing that people are really liking it, and I'm very excited. So I won't reveal anything about this movie story because of course it's yet to release. We have only released a poster yet. So I won't give any details about it, but everyone is appreciating and I'm very happy. We are releasing by earlier next year and I'm really looking forward to it.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Everything is sitting digital. I mean, web being a new concept for you.
हिंदी है इंग्लिश है एनीथिंग ओके वेल मुझे लगता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी अवार्ड है जहाँ पर टेक अवार्ड जहाँ जितना मुझे लगता है कि इट्स अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी, इट्स अबाउट embracing and praising and appreciating technology, and it's exactly the same that I'm here for. Technology is something that is our future. In fact, it's our present, it's our future, and it has so much of scope. I mean, it has surrounded us so much. Without technology, I don't think so that we can do anything. I mean, you cannot cook these days, you cannot have so many other, I mean, I don't know, technology cannot think your life without technology.
But you know, जो celebrities होते हैं, Facebook हो या Instagram हो या Twitter हो, you need to be very cautious when you comment something or you even write anything. तो उसके बारे में क्या कहते हैं, कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है खुद को एक responsible citizen या एक responsible celebrity के तौर पे कुछ भी comment करना.
देखिए, जब आप पब्लिक फिगर हो जाते हैं ना, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपके लिए आप मतलब लोग आपको देखते हैं कि ओके ये एक तरीका है करने का, आपको कॉपी करने की कोशिश करते हैं या आपसे इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं. इनफैक्ट कॉपी भी एक रॉन्ग तरीका होगा, बट आपसे इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं. तो एज अ पब्लिक फिगर और एज समबडी यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग योर ओन पीपल, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि यू आर कैलकुलेटेड, यू नो व्हाट यू पुटिंग अक्रॉस. आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं, कैसे बोलना चाह रहे हैं, आप क्या प्रोजेक्ट करना चाह रहे हैं. ये एक हम्बल तरीका होगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स हैं जो एप कर रहे हैं, जो अपनी इंस्पिरेशन ढूंढ रहे हैं आपके अंदर. अगर आप उन्हीं को लीड करेंगे कहीं और गलत जगह पे, तो फिर आप एक आप व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एन इंस्पिरेशन देन यू वुड बी देन. थैंक यू सो मच.
I think that the Tech Awards are extremely necessary because all of us love tech and we all want to have the latest phone and we want to have all the latest gadgets. So it's great that Exhibit is hosting the Tech Awards, so we can get all our latest info on what's the newest innovation and the coolest tech gadgets. So yeah, I'm just excited to see.
It is the presence of celebrities on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and such. But you take them control when you comment something or write something regarding any incident or something. So what do you say about it? I mean, how far is that thing you manage when something like this happens?
So you have to first understand that whatever is online and whatever is on social media, it's not reality. Reality happens here and now. So you shouldn't get offended and get into fights online and all these things. I don't believe in it. So whenever there's a troll on my social media, I just ignore them or block them.
Lastly, as in digital medium, there is no censorship as such. You have the freedom to access your inner creativity. So what do you have to say about it? I mean, when talking about the digital medium as such.
I think creative freedom is a fabulous thing, and I like to use my social media to show who I am and to communicate to my fans what I believe in and what I stand for, and really like to let them get an insight on who am I as a real person. Of course, you can act fake a lot on social media too, but I don't think that's the purpose, and I don't think people will be entertained for a long time if you just pretend to be someone else. Thank you.
Beautiful act.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, what a lovely question you've asked me. Ask me in 5 minutes. It's been styled by my stylist, Hitesh Kapopra, who always gives me the most beautiful clothes.
Ma'am, your Ranjit Kaur Darshan story has won the most viral web series of the year. So what would you say, and what was the reason to give the nod to the web series? I mean, what was the reason for that?
Well, I've answered this one many times, and the reason is I don't think that you can put a life story into 2.5 hours, even 3 hours. And I was lucky enough that Z supported my story exactly the way that it was. And I think that's what people enjoyed watching, was watching the truth and seeing, normal things that happen, not so normal things that happen, and kind of learning more about my life. I think that if I'd made up most of it, maybe it wouldn't be so interesting, and maybe it would have just been cliche.
And digital media doesn't have any censorship as such, so there is a creative freedom for the artists to showcase their talent in what way they want.
What was the first part of the question?
There is a creative freedom, whatever they want, the dialogue delivery or the acting scene as such. So what would you say about it? Talking about the web series medium, the digital medium.
The digital medium, I think, is a great way for people to be able to express themselves and talk about subjects that might not be good for the movie theater, but might be wonderful for the digital space. And I think that most young people out there, and maybe some older people out there, enjoy the idea of being able to download an entire show, watch it from start to finish. It doesn't stop. There's no intermission. There's only an intermission if you want one. And being able to consume content at your own space, in your own place, and at home or in a car, wherever you are, traveling, anywhere.
And celebrities being on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, is there some privacy thing which gives hindrance for the celebrities as such? The privacy factor, does it get any hindrance for the celebrities?
I think that that's what happens when you join social media and you put your life out there and you put yourself out there. Those things are just going to happen. It's just a natural process of being, posting where you are, posting where you're having lunch, or posting what you're wearing, or, just shooting really random videos. If you're part of my social network, then you see a lot of crazy, kooky things that happen. And I think that's the most amazing thing about social media and the digital space, is that you get to put whatever you want out there, and you get to portray yourself in any way that you want.
When you see on web series, because your live biography is super hit, so are you plan to do your own web series?
Another one?
Yeah.
Like a third season?
Yeah.
I'm not really sure about a third season yet. I know that the show did really well, and I think that if people enjoyed it so much, we all can urge Z5 to put a third season in. All right, thank you so much.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम और क्या
ये बहुत अलग अवार्ड्स है ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज ये गैजेट्स टेक्निकल उनकी मैगजीन इतनी अमेजिंग होती है. दे आर सो फैशन फॉरवर्ड एंड टेक फॉरवर्ड. दे एक्चुअली मिक्सड फैशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज़ क्वाइट ग्रेट. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. ये मेरे पहली बार है दैट आई हैव कम टू एग्जिबिट अवार्ड्स. सो आई एम वेटिंग टू हैव फन. जी जी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ यार. मतलब आई वॉज जस्ट सेइंग कि हर लड़की का ना थोड़ा सा सपना होता है टू बी वन ऑफ दोज फैशन फॉरवर्ड चिक्स सो दैट यू कैन डू डिफरेंट लुक्स. एंड मुझे मज़ा तो बड़ा आता है. तो आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्लैड दैट देव कॉल्ड मी एन इन्फ्लुएंसर इन दैट फील्ड. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
अवार्ड्स की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है आपके लाइफ?
अवार्ड्स का इंपॉर्टेंस एक्चुअली इट्स मोर अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट दुनिया हमें किस नज़रिए से देखती है ताकि हमें वो एक टाइटल दे सके. It just means a more global acceptance in the industry and the media. So of course it's important, but सबसे पहले important काम आता है. तो yeah.
सोशल मीडिया में बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाई जाती है, तो आप कितने उसको अवॉइड करते हैं, कितने सजेस्ट करते हैं?
यार मैं कोई अपने नीचे कमेंट्स ट्रोल कुछ नहीं पढ़ती हूँ. मेरे को जो बोलना था जो करना होता है मैं करती हूँ. आई डोंट क्लटर माई ब्रेन विथ टू मच सोशल मीडिया अराउंड बिकॉज लोगों का काम है बोलना. कुछ तो लोग बोलेंगे.
नॉर्मली कितने टाइम स्पेंड करते हो सोशल मीडिया?
सोशल मीडिया पे अरे फेवरेट पास टाइम है यार. व्हेन यू आर इन बिटवीन शॉट्स कुछ होता नहीं है, ट्रैवलिंग इन द कार 1 hour फ्रॉम जुहू टू सेंट रीजेस, यू आर ऑन सोशल मीडिया ओनली. सो इट्स फन.
अपकमिंग में क्या क्या आ रहा है?
अपकमिंग में मेरी 2 फिल्म्स हैं जो मैं बैक टू बैक शूट करना शुरू कर रही हूँ अभी एक हफ्ते में. एक के बारे में तो आप जानते हैं जो तुरम खां है. दूसरे के बारे में दिसंबर में अनाउंसमेंट आएगी तो मैं बता नहीं सकती.
कौन है खास?
ये तो बताना हो गया ना. ये बताना हो गया. नहीं बता सकती. ठीक है जाओ. ओके सी यू गाइस.